Hi, my name is Ike, and we just hired Galaxy Design for new drapes in our home. My mom has been wanting new drapes for a while now. We had these curtains that got really old and broken down, and she wanted something new. So my dad and I decided to surprise her with new drapes for her birthday. It was really easy. I just Googled for nice drapes and found Galaxy Design. Their website is very nice and easy to use. And they have a really great collection that nobody else really had. So I just took the first step and ordered a design kit for the windows we're working on. The design kit arrived a few days later, and it had a bunch of fabric and hardware samples and specific designs that would look best in our home. We just needed to pick the ones we liked best. Then I just simply ordered it over the phone. They were very nice and even offered me their expert advice on a FaceTime call. And they suggested what designs to go with. And then the packages arrived and I opened up the boxes. And it's really great quality of the drapes and everything. So then we started installing the drapes and it was easier than I thought. They had great instructions that made everything easy to figure out. Now the drapes are up and wow, it's unbelievable how much of a difference they made. It's crazy how we were living before. The old drapes were holding us back. The house is so much more bright and we could see easily out the windows. My mom is definitely gonna love it. Thank you, Galaxy Design.
What is this? Oh, this is gorgeous. Ooh. What is this? Ooh, this is gorgeous. What is this? This is so gorgeous. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Wow.
We hope you enjoyed our video. Feel free to share our video with your friends and family, and thanks for watching.